Imagine waking up one morning, opening your phone, and finding out your job no longer exists. Not because your company failed, not because you made a mistake, but because a machine can now do your work faster, cheaper, and better. This sounds like science fiction, but for millions of people, it may become reality. Artificial intelligence is growing at a speed the world has never seen before, and while many celebrate it, others are quietly asking a terrifying question. What happens when AI takes your job? For centuries, work has been the foundation of human survival. You work, you earn money, you pay for food, shelter, security, family. That system has remained mostly the same, but AI may be about to change it forever. Because unlike previous machines, AI doesn't just replace physical labor, it replaces thinking, writing, analyzing, designing, planning, creating. And that changes everything. Factories replaced muscle. AI may replace the mind. And for the first time, white-collar jobs are at risk. Not just factory workers, not just drivers, but accountants, lawyers, writers, designers, customer support workers, programmers, teachers, even doctors. Jobs once considered safe are no longer safe, and it's already happening. Companies are cutting costs using AI. Some businesses now use AI for customer support. Others use it for marketing. Others for writing, coding, research, video editing, data analysis. What once took teams of people can now be done by one person with AI tools, or in some cases, no person at all. That's the real shift, and it's happening fast. Faster than governments can regulate, faster than schools can adapt, faster than workers can retrain. History has seen job disruption before. The Industrial Revolution changed labor. Factories changed production. The internet changed business. But this feels different because AI is not replacing one industry. It is entering every industry at once. And when disruption happens everywhere, the consequences become bigger. Imagine millions losing jobs at the same time, not because there's no work, but because AI is doing it. What happens then? Unemployment rises, spending drops, businesses suffer, economies slow, and social tension increases. This is where it becomes dangerous. Because if people have no income, who buys the products? Who pays rent? Who supports families? If productivity rises, but human income falls, the system begins to break. Some economists call this the AI inequality problem, because while companies may become richer, workers may become poorer. A small group controls the technology. A larger group loses access to opportunity, and the wealth gap grows. This could create the richest generation in history and the poorest at the same time. But not everyone believes this future is guaranteed. Some argue AI will create new jobs, just like previous revolutions did. And that may be true, but there's one major difference: speed. Previous changes took decades. AI is moving in years, maybe months. That leaves little time to adjust, little time to prepare, and little time to protect millions of workers. So what should people do? Adapt, learn, use AI instead of ignoring it, because history rewards those who move early. The people who understand AI may not be the ones replaced by it. They may be the ones controlling it, the ones profiting from it, the ones building the future. But for everyone else, the risk is growing. The world is changing, And whether we like it or not, AI is becoming part of that change. The question is no longer if AI will affect your job, it's when. And when that moment comes, will you be ready?
The future is not just automated, it is completely and utterly alive. Welcome, the future is here. Do not miss what comes next. Subscribe and join the evolution.